Hey everyone, so in this video I wanted to talk about a feature that I really love that's available on a few camcorders. It's definitely available on my Canon G30 and I believe most if not all of the Panasonics. It's currently missing from the Sony line I believe, but I've got my fingers crossed that it's going to be featured on the new Sony FDR AX53 that comes out next month. It's a camera that I will probably buy, so anyway. Basically, as the name alludes, pre-record is something that once you enable it, it starts recording and it will keep the previous 3 seconds after you press the record button. So it's constantly recording and it will chew a little bit more battery than just having your camera running and not recording. So that's something to keep in mind, but it's very handy if you've got someone that's constantly moving in and out of view, or you're expecting them to come out of a shopping center or something in the next few moments. So this is how you use it on the Canon G30. There's actually a dedicated button, and just pressing that will enable the feature. And once you have enabled that feature, it will remain on. So even if you press stop after you've recorded your first segment, it will keep that feature running until you either disable it or turn the camera off. So that's really handy. Now, this is how you enable it on the Panasonic. I have added it as a shortcut in my menus. And with the Panasonic, after you finish recording, it will disable the feature and you need to re-enable it. Not a big deal, but something to keep in mind. Now we'll move on to some examples of using the pre-record feature. So in this first video, just as an example, I've got my claimant coming out of a chemist here, and in this video here, I'm just gonna sort of turn the camera on, lift it up, and start filming. And as you can see, he's well and truly, exited the store by the time the camera is rolling. In the next video, I've got the camera on and pointed at the shop exit, and you can see we've got him coming out, but it did take a couple of seconds before the footage kicked in. Now in the last video, I've got the pre-record feature running, and it's filming before he's even in view, and he just walks into view and exits the store. So it adds a nice touch, I think, to the footage. So this is one way of using the pre-record feature, but as I said earlier, it's even better used when you have got a claimant moving in and out of view just for a brief few seconds, perhaps on a job site or something like that, and just allows you to capture that footage and look like a total pro. Thanks for watching.